Modern life can be very busy, especially for mothers who balance childcare, work, household responsibilities, and personal commitments. A breast pump can help mothers manage these busy schedules while continuing to breastfeed. Instead of needing to breastfeed directly every time the baby is hungry, mothers can pump milk in advance and store it for later use. This allows another caregiver, such as a partner or family member, to feed the baby when the mother is occupied. For example, a mother may pump milk before attending an appointment, running errands, or completing work tasks at home. This flexibility allows mothers to continue breastfeeding while still managing their daily responsibilities. Breast pumps provide a helpful balance between motherhood and modern life.